Hello everyone, welcome to KhanPedia. Today video I will try to explain how we can recover permanently deleted file folder in Google Drive. So let's start. Simply open your Google Drive. This is my Google Drive as you can see. And for example, I want to give you an example that for example, if I delete this file, okay, I will say move to trash. And as you can see, this file is deleted from my Google Drive. And I will go to trash. And for example, if I delete this file from here, delete for forever, it will be deleted from here too. Now you can see this, my file is permanently deleted from Google Drive. As you can see, you cannot find this file here. So right now, I will show you how you can recover. Simply, again, go to your google.com and simply write here Google Drive file recovery request. Open your first link, simply recover a delete file in a Google Drive. Simply click on this link. And now you can see there are several options. Like if you are recovering using computer, simply click on computer, Android, iPhone and iPad. But right now I'm using computer. I will click on computer and there are several details that you can read. They say like recover a permanent delete file as you can see, and simply come here and click on request file recovery. After that, you have to simply sign in again. Sign in your account. Simply you have to sign in, and after that you can recover your file. As you can see, I signed in my Google account. Now simply they will ask you some detail like your name and your last name, and simply like where this file deleted or removed from trash. Yes, is also deleted from trash. And what type of file is this? For example, you can say this file are photo, videos and so on, and Gmail attachment and so on. I will say photo and videos, and then I will click on this, select and simply submit your request. After it will take a couple of seconds. As you can see, they process our request and your email has been sent. And now sometimes it take 1 day or sometimes it take 5 minutes or few seconds to complete your request, because it depends on their system. Now I will go to my Google Drive again and I will refresh my Google Drive. As you can see, still the file is not available here, and I will go to my Gmail and I will see maybe there will be some request, and I will refresh again. As you can see, I receive an email and they send me some detail here, and again I will go again. As you can see, I will refresh my Google Drive. Now as you can see, as I said, sometimes take few seconds, sometimes few minutes. So as you can see, my file is available again. So it's quite simple. If you want to recover your permanently deleted file or folder photo on Google Drive, simply follow this step and I hope it will help you. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.